So today we'll be solving these two problems. Both of these problems have fractions and an unknown value of x. This may seem hard, but I'm going to show you a very easy way to do it. So first let's start with the top problem. Okay, so x over 2 plus x over 5 equals 21. So we want to cancel out the fractions since they seem very hard. By doing that, we have to find a common multiple of 2 and 5. But we could just do 2 times 5 since they're small numbers. 2 times 5 is 10, so we multiply this by 10. If we multiply this side by 10, we have to also multiply this side by 10 because we have to make them equal. So now we can distribute the 10. 10 times x over 2 plus 10 times x over 5, which would equal 21 times 10, which is 210. Now, here's a 10. We could turn this into a fraction and simplify them. 10 would be a 5, and 2 would be a 1. So 5 times x is 5x, plus, we would do the same thing, 10 over 1, then 10 and 5 would be simplified, this would be 2, and this would be 1. 2 times x is 2x, and then equals 210. Now this seems way easier because the fractions are all gone. 5x plus 2x is 7x, and it equals 210. This is really easy now. We cancel out the 7, and to do that, we just do divided by 7 on each side. And x would equal to 30. Now let's look at the second problem. X over 2 plus x over 3 equals 14 plus 3x over 5. This one may seem a little harder than the last one because it has more fractions and an unknown value of x on both sides, but it really isn't after we try it. So first, we have to cancel out the fractions. To do that, we have to find the common multiple of 2, 3, and 5. Since these are really small numbers, we just multiply them. 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 3 is 6, and then 6 times 5 is 30. So we can multiply this by 30, and we multiply this side by 30 also. Okay, now we distribute them. 30 times x over 2 plus 30 times x over 3 equals 30 times 14 plus 30 times 3x over 5. Okay, this is a lot, but we're going to make this really easy and do it like the last one. 30 over 1, and we can simplify this. 15 and 1. And then 15 times x, 15x, plus 30 over 1, we can simplify it. This is a 10, and this could be a 1. So 10 times x, which is 10x, and it equals 30 times 14, which is 420. And then 30 over 1, and we can simplify 6 and 1. And the 6 times 3 over 3x is 18x. Okay, now this seems way more easier and we have no more fractions, but we do have x on both sides. So we can first add these, which is 25x equals 420 plus 18x. Now we have to move x one side, and all we have to do is minus 18x. And we would get 7x equals 420. Okay, this is really easy now. All I have to do is get rid of the x, get rid of the 7. So we divide it by 7 on each side, and x would equal to 60. Yeah, it was really easy after we done it.